Oh, for today's shipment, we got the frame slider kit, the shift shaft support, the Galfer front ABS bypass lines. And then we did get our one side fairings, the right side, to replace the two lefts that we got with a Subimoto fairing kit. Let's start off with the easy thing. Not much to say about these. Comes with all the hardware, all the covered gaskets or washers, whatever you want to call them. So overall, not much to say about that. The shift support, just two parts, a new arm, nice light aluminum, and a support with a bearing in it, just to help stabilize that long shift rod. We can see here on the bike, that rod is very long, so it would be very unsupported. And there's a new one, which is a little bit shorter. Should help make it shift a little nicer. And of course, if you want to go GP shift, you just turn them upside down. Not much about that. That looks good quality, nice machining. There's nice and easy. So this, they do say, won't work with a kickstand. So even though the rear sets have the kickstand adapter, you'll have to cut and grind off some metal to make that work, but we'll see when we go down that road during install. And last is the frame sliders. They're made in Germany. There's the part number that's on it. And detailed instructions available online at KTM.com manuals. So looks like it's an OE product. Okay. Pretty solid. Looks like you could replace the pocks if you could find them somewhere. That's just the other side of that. So it's got a little plastic piece to protect the frame. They look pretty nice. See how well that stands up. Same thing. Kind of rubbery piece. Other side with the bolts. Okay. Looks good. Quality looks good. And there we go. There's today's unboxing of our latest shipment.